Good morning. I'm happy to have you back. I am working this morning on a super exciting project. It's a 5 foot by 4 foot canvas, and it's the first huge pour I am going to be doing. And on top of it all, I'm using the Liquitex Pouring Medium, which I used for the first time yesterday on a 2 by 4 painting, 2 feet by 4 feet, that is. And it's right here in the background. I love how it dried. I love everything about it. So I'm getting ready to mix some more colors. You can see here, this is the biggest size I've done so far with this medium, and now I'm getting ready to paint one that's about 2.5 times bigger. So let's see how that goes. I'll be mixing some paints and then I'll see you later. All right, I'm back. It's been a couple of hours. I mixed some paint and then I had to go for a big walk to get ready mentally for working on this huge canvas. So here it is. I'm ready. I mixed a bunch of beautiful colors. You'll see them in the description, and I am ready to put them down on the canvas. So let's see what comes out of this. I am so excited with how this painting came out. This is the largest painting I've ever done. The largest fluid acrylic painting I've done. It's 4 feet by 5 feet long, and it's all done with professional grade acrylic paints. And with the new medium I'm working with, the Liquitex Pouring Medium. Oh my god, the colors are just stunning. There's a lot of reflection as it's all wet. I can't wait to show it to you when it's all dry. Thanks for watching. I am back in my home gallery and I am thrilled to show you something that I've been working on, visualizing, planning for about as long as I've been painting. I never thought that I was going to create a painting of this size not with fluid acrylics and not with the style I'm working with, but here it is. So today is the day. What you see behind me are the predecessors, the ones that helped me frame my brain around working on a 5-foot long canvas. So this is what 5-foot long canvas looks like behind me. And this painting that I'll show you is titled Enchanted Garden. There it is. It's a 5-foot by 4-foot canvas, a high gloss finish. The lighting in here is close to right, but here it is. You're invited to come over and see it in person. I probably won't be taking it out of the home gallery anytime soon, but I'm more than happy to have you visit and see it in person. It is just spectacular. Saturated, bright, bold colors. Really an enchanted garden. So come over and see it.